Want to know how to create professional content videos that are capable of generating millions of views and snatching easy front page rankings? I guarantee you've never seen anything like this before. Mark my words, it's going to completely change the way you do digital marketing forever. Why? As you know, video is now critical for just about every aspect of digital marketing today. However, because creating videos has always been a laborious, expensive and highly technical process, in the past it's really only been available to big businesses with big budgets. If you are able to create video content really easily in around 15 to 20 minutes per video, it will give you the ability to get your message in front of massive audiences. This will lead to exposure, leads and sales, if done right. But how can you create simple videos quickly if you have no tech experience? Finally, that's all changed. If you are looking for a video content creator that allows you to quickly and simply make videos on any topic, without having to appear on camera, then this Content Samurai review is for you. Because Content Samurai's revolutionary new video creation system is so easy to use, generating tons of professional videos that produce an avalanche of traffic is now anyone's game. And it's fast, really fast. And best of all, it's totally free to get started. Who is Content Samurai really for? It's for any business looking to create a video marketing strategy without the huge production costs. It's for internet marketers, marketers who want to build a list, small business owners, YouTubers and anyone who wants more exposure. What you can do with Content Samurai. First, you can go from script to video in seconds. With the push of a button, Content Samurai reviews your script, cuts it up into professional slide layouts and formats your text. The bones of your video are formed in seconds. It analyzes your script and intelligently suggests the perfect images for your video from a library of over 112 million quality images. You can edit your entire video with a single click. Powered by cutting-edge text and voice matching technology, Content Samurai automatically edits your video from beginning to end with a single click. It's video creation at the speed of thought. Content Samurai gives you 5 options on the type of video you want to create. These are: video from your article, videos for your online course, a sales video, video for social media, real estate videos. If you have a script for your video, you can enter this in the text area. One thing to remember is to have complete sentences if you are going to be using the text-to-speech technology for your videos. You also have the option of letting the software choose what type of images and video clips to insert into your slides. Once your video has been created, you can go through each slide and make any edits you want. You can make transition changes, add Ken Burns effects and even animate the text. Your next option will be to choose what kind of sound you want for your video, like royalty-free music, record your voice, use the text-to-speech technology, upload a track voice. You will then get to preview your video where you can edit the timing of each slide transition so that it syncs perfectly with whatever background track you have. After you are happy with the final version, you can download the video into your device and start sharing it with your audience. The interface is clean and easy to understand, there is not a huge learning curve, and is another aspect of this software that I really like. They have developed software for everyone, but especially for beginners who have little experience with video creation. Content Samurai pricing? Content Samurai costs $47 per meter for all the features, or you can go yearly for $397, which comes to $33 per meter and saves you $168. There is also a free 7-day trial which gives you all the features of Content Samurai and lets you keep any videos you create within the trial period, even if you do not sign up for the paid option. There are many other softwares that you can use to create videos, but they often stop getting updated and, in certain cases, cease to work. Video content consumption is exploding. Successful marketers need to take advantage of this, and incorporate video into their marketing strategy, or risk being left behind. Videos have a high conversion rate, and if you want your business to have the best chance at success, you will need to produce videos. So, if you want the ultimate shortcut to start killing it with video, and try the first intelligent video creator that does all the hard work for you, click on the link in the description below to get the free trial and see for yourself how good it is.